Give way to the back passing Citation via Alpha 3 line of the we'll give way via Alpha 3 line of the Gloucester Tower, Golf Hotel Alpha November Sierra, information Golf 2NH 1020, request flight. Alpha 2. 5, Edge 39, report. Kilo and basic service 44531. Kilo, you reach the side of the road ahead. Echo Kilo, Gloucester Tower, cancel height restriction, port right hand downwind, runway 26. You'll be following in a twist star, midpoint downwind right. Right hand down. Join direction. Safe land and bolted off. Hold position, I didn't realise you were in the lined up sideways. Hold position, report your position at level. Foxtrot 8555, okay. Golf Charlie Charlie, request wait 2.5 minutes for wait vortex clear. Golf Charlie Charlie, run hold position report ready. That aircraft was a light aircraft, just hold position report ready. Hold position report ready, Golf Charlie Charlie. Golf Yankee by Alpha 2, on track to the west runway 26, clear for takeoff at 3 Correction 126 November, contact Gloucester approach 128.555. 128.555, have a good day, correction 126 November. You too, thanks, bye. 3 on Bravo, turn base when ready, report final. Number 1. Turning base, Wilson, delivery done, Bravo. I want to send the lights to the moment. Section 159, we're about to final of flight line. 125, 855, bye-bye, section 157. Hotel is going to be faster. Alpha 2, Iron 58.
He didn't ask me, because I know he was asking. Yeah. Because they were asking, Wicker was asking Luke and you about where you've been in the boat. I was like, you've never been to any of them.
555, you will call me. 58, report ready for departure on 128.555.
128.555, aero 58.
Golf Alpha Golf, monitor 128.555.
Monitor 128.555, Golf Alpha Golf.
Because I would never. I haven't. That's our order budget.
Oh, okay. Which one do you pick? Even the self-catering?
I haven't looked. I looked at them for pool on the roof.
Yeah, no.
And it was like 4 nights. It's like 1,500 per person. It's like.
Yeah.
The snow wasn't sure enough to run it to.
We were worried about Lou.
Because it's
The right hand circuit, runway 26, clear to take off with 3108. Right hand circuit, runway 26, clear to take off. Aero 7. 01, Roger, report your range on the local grinder. Roger, and we're around the stage, left side,
Juliet, late downwind. Port final for the single Cessna, Golf Juliet.
I consider them very good stories. I said most people look at the training. So trying to
Golf 55. Tango, traffic on climb out to the right hand circuit, single Cessna, right turn northwest, runway 26, clear for takeoff with 2605. Drop off to Whiskey 9 altitude, right of way, runway 26, on Cessna departure. Runway behind the Cessna, taking the taxi to the Q&A again. Stop on the Foxtrot, Golf Bravo Foxtrot, ticket with Gloucester Airport 4531, taxi hold Alpha 3. Climb up to the northwest of the Cessna, 50 active, right turn north, runway 26, clear to takeoff at 2505. Never take off on the 26, Taking Golf Alpha X-ray by Alpha 2, right away, runway 26, on aircraft to start point. Runway, runway
4531, request distance taxi to X-ray.
Golf not moving, and you've got the car hold position. Golf Alpha X-ray, traffic on climb out, moving get north, is a particular. Right turn north, runway 26, clear to take off at 2404. Right turn north. Golf off to Whiskey basic service. Golf Zulu Zulu, taxi home point X-ray with 2306. Golf Zulu Zulu, report ready on 122905. Remain in Zulu town. 101, hello.
Copy 4531, and I am 3 miles from the scene, circulating at the moment with investment orders.
Report ready.
Go to the left.
On the left base on 18 QFC 1017.
QFC 1017, join Avenue 450 here.
Copy, Danger 6 and set it accurate, this is the P-Mentor, runway 26, right hand circuit, clear, touch and go with 2404. Please have to go 26, traffic common to Gloucester, 3 down fast. Contact for Alpha 2, Golf Alpha Charlie, runway 26, clear, touch and go with 3407. Let's go, Golf Alpha Charlie, correction, taxi on point Alpha 2. Golf Bravo Hotel Charlie Charlie, taxi to Alpha 2 to allow a vehicle to pass behind. Taxi to Alpha 2, Golf Charlie Charlie. West, request, on Harris 58, Golf Alpha X-ray. Golf Alpha X-ray. So I'm report your range from the airfield. 10 miles, Golf Echo Tango, the traffic voice view. Echo Tango downwind. Golf Echo Tango, roger. Report ready for base. Wilco, Golf Echo Tango. Golf Charlie Charlie, traffic on climb out in the right hand circuit is a single Cessna. Right turn north, runway 26, clear to take off at 3306. Point right base, runway 26, left below height 1500 feet, QST 1017. Golf Mike, the Cessna ahead of you is routing to the north. Left turn south, runway 26, clear to take off at 3306. Clear takeoff acrossing to the southwest, southeast. Alpha November Sierra, joining right base for 26, not below 1,500 feet at QSC 1017, Golf November Sierra. Gloucester Tower, start to cruise. Below 1,500 feet on QSC 1217. Golf Echo 0.5 knots. Report final. Becoming number 2. Number 1 is a Robin on the 1.5 mile final. What are we doing number 2? Golf Alpha X-ray, make 1 right hand orbit. 1 right hand orbit, Golf Alpha X-ray. Golf Alpha X-ray. Tango, turn wind 2 seconds. Golf Mike Tango, ready to report before turning base. Okay, Golf Tango. 5164 and then 3 lost approach 128 and 4555, side right, exam 3. Exam 3, expect. Mike Tango, ready to base. Golf Mike Tango, everyone left hand orbit, report complete. Golf Mike Tango, Golf Mike Tango. Golf Alpha X-ray, is this the land or are you continuing in the circuit? Golf Alpha X-ray, could I just depart the line? Golf Alpha X-ray. Golf Alpha X-ray. Golf Unit 1020, taxi, 5 station Cessna 4, taxi. Golf Alpha Tango Lima, Golf Alpha Charlie, calling J again. Golf Alpha Charlie, late down 12 left. Golf Alpha Charlie, report final number 2, follow a Cessna on approximately a 2 mile final. Number 2, nothing, it's report, each one. Base Tim, Welco, got a good deal.
It's a big one, isn't it?
Clothes in there, have they?
Yeah, they do. He's going to India.